Hey guys, I got a new Oregon mulching blade set, 21 inch. Works on different Honda lawnmowers, which includes mine. And you can see I got a little damage on my existing blades. It's worn down here and on here. So I'm going to take this apart, see if it fits. Okay, open the package up. The Oregon blades, lifetime warranty. These are hardcore, designed for mulching. Instructions have both my lawnmower instructions on changing the blade and the instructions that came with the Oregon. It says drain the gas. On my lawnmower I don't have to, I just need to turn it on the side with the carburetor side up so it won't leak. Turn the gas line off and disconnect the spark plug wire so the mower's upright. Clean gas and take the bolt off. The bolts are especially heat treated, so you can't just put any bolt in there. You need to check to make sure your bolt and probably a special washer are in good shape. If not, you have to buy a special lawnmower blade bolt. I think they are stronger and they won't break. Basically take it off and then put it back on. So I have a block in here, piece of wood I put in so I can turn this and it won't keep spinning. Also, I like to label my parts, in this case with tape, so I know these are the two sides facing the bottom, so I can make sure I put them in the right direction when I place the blade. After closer inspection, I see a lot more damage on this blade, so it is a good time to replace them. So I'm going to try a bigger handle tool, a little more leverage on it. There we go. If that doesn't work, sometimes you can just put a bar over your other socket, cheater bar, something like this. Put on top of the end of these, and it gives you even more leverage. You're going to try if you're having a hard time getting a bolt or nut off. And these do have a special washer too, in addition to the higher quality bolt, so make sure you put it on the way it came off. I'm just going to leave these together so I don't have to think about it. I think they may be concave initially when they're put on, which the cup part, the concave part, faces into the blade, away from the nut head. Okay, here we go. So, see the replacement parts. Again, one last double check. They line up according to the originals. And this fits on here. Push the bolts through. Get it started. Get the other bolts through. Almost got it started. And this lines up over that hole. There we go. Okay. All right. And let's tighten them back up. I repositioned my block. I didn't read anything about torque in the manual, so I'm just going to get them good and snug. There we go. It's not scratching on anything. Let's start it up, see what happens. Okay, I'm going to give it a test. First I want to make sure it's not rumbling or vibrating or anything. If so, I'm going to shut it off quickly. And secondly, I want to make sure it's mulching correctly.